Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about an array. So let's begin with make a new folder. An array. Its name is array. Array. Now I am going to open command prompt. For the sake of VS Code, so I write code space dot then enter, and here I need to create a new file for index.html and one more file which is app.js, because we all are working in app.js file. So here I am making a basic structure of index.html, then I am creating a link between app.js file and html file. So I have write script source.app.js. I hope you are getting what I am trying to teach you. So array, what is array? Array is a simple way to make our code smaller, easier. For typing an array code, you have to write var. You also use, instead of var, let, const, whatever you want. But here I am using var. So var. Then now you have to make your array name. So I am making an array of an animal's name. So I am giving a name of my array to animal equal to, then for array you have to make a square brackets. Okay, then you should write any name or anything in inverted commas. So I am writing cat, then comma, then rat, then comma, then line, and one more last, tiger. Okay guys, now it's time to check our array either safe in animal or not. So for the sake of this purpose I am printing my animal arrays in my document. So document dot write. You can also take alert from alert function. So I am taking this array on document. I want to write this array on document, so I write document dot write, then bracket and an array name. Okay guys, so here I am rendering my code. You can see guys, my array is working. Now what we do, first I do comment my document dot write. Then if I want to delete last name in like tiger, I want to remove in this from this array tiger. So what should I do? So I do write animal dot pop. Guys, this is very important, you must concentrate on this video. I write animal dot pop. For what purpose? From delete last element. For delete last element from an array. Okay guys, I write dot pop for what purpose? For the purpose of delete last element from my array. So I write animal dot pop, then round bracket, then again I write document dot write document dot right, then round brackets and array name animal. Okay, now let's check either our last element from an array is deleted or not. So let's check, refresh our code, then you can see guys, cat, rat, lion, and our last element is tiger, but after using .pop function our last element from an array is deleted. Okay guys, hopefully you understand, you are getting my point. Now I am coming this line also. Okay, so this is very important function from deleting any element from the last from an array. You can use .pop function in JS. So if I want to add, if guys I want to add in my last element in an array of last, at last in array, so what should I do? I do, first of all I write my array name which is animal, and animal dot, then push, what that for push for adding any element in at the last of the your array, you have to write first your array name. As I write my array name is animal, then you have to write dot push, then round bracket, inverted commas, and your element name. Like I am writing mice, mice, mice. Let's see guys, it's working or not. I am copying from here and uncomment, then let's check it. So here is guys, I have add in my animal array, after tiger I add mice, at the last of an array of element I write mice, then it is added. So here it is, you learn two function of an array, one is pop and other is push. From last, what pop, what does pop function in JS? Pop does in JS function to delete last element from your array. And what is the function of push? The push does to add your an element in your array at last. Okay guys, I hope you're getting my point. In this way you also can if I want to remove, okay guys, if I want to remove from my array at first, so what should I do? So I have to do animal, that means I have to write my array name, that is animal dot shift, okay, then round bracket, then for the sake of checking your array, from your array first element is removed or not, so you have to write document or write, or you can also console it or alert it, as you know, as you view my previous videos. So I am writing here document or write animal, my array name, then I am checking it is from my array first element is deleted or not, so I am checking, refresh it, then see guys, it is removed from my first element from my array. Okay guys, this is very simple but interesting. Now guys, if I want to see what is the function of splice, what is the function of splice, if I want to delete between an array of elements, I want to delete one or two element deleted from between my array, so what should I do? I use the splice function. Again I write animal, which is my array name, and then I write splice. What I write? Splice. And again I make a round bracket and press the button. I make a round bracket. Then what should I do? I do count my elements index, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. If I want to remove from my array like red and line, if I want to remove from my array two elements like red and line, so I write over here 1. Why 1? Because my red index number is 1 and line index number is 2, so I write 1 comma 2. So let's see guys what happened. So you can see guys, only cat and tiger is remaining in my file, so but other left element are deleted, which I mentioned like index number 1 or 2. Okay guys, here enough for this video. Next time I will meet you for next thing. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Please like, comment and share my video and subscribe